Well, I think it's going to stop snowing now. I don't think it's going to snow anymore in April. It actually is starting to feel like spring now. So I want to take a walk before the sun starts to go down and before I work on the garden. So that's what I'm doing. I just want to give you guys some updates about the soya beans microgreens that I did. I can say all of the seeds, they sprout in the container. I wanted to see if it was fresh enough to sprout because I didn't buy it. On the package, it did not say it was for microgreens or to be sprout. It mainly say on the package that it's organic and it's grown in Canada, and that it's good to cook with it. So I was testing it out and the seeds sprout. I think I will show you some I will show you one of the picture that I take of it. I think next time if I do microgreens again, because it's my first time doing that, I won't cover the soya beans with pea moss. I will just put it on top of the pea moss. But now I know that it will work, and I'm just testing out different kind of beans and seeds that I can use for microgreens. And last year I think in March I bought strawberry seeds from the Dollarama store, and those strawberries, out of 4 plants that came up, just one survived that I brought back indoors. But I thought they would produce runners. I don't think these are the ones that will produce runners. I think these are the wild strawberries, because the fruits that they produce is very small and it's very tasty. I actually made a scene of me showing you guys the fruit that's produced. I actually taste the fruit. It tastes really sweet. I was kind of surprised because I grow it indoors, and I actually have footage of me planting. I actually have a scene of me showing you that I replanted again, and the seeds are sprouting. Actually, it looks like 10 plants is inside the container, so I'm quite excited about that. Oh my gosh, it's springtime now because I see some bees around here, or it's wasp. I think they're wasp. I'm at one of the hardware center. I think I'm going to be looking in both of the hardware center. In the town that I live, there's two hardware in the town that I live, and I noticed, I should show you guys, they put out different kind of soil compost stuff that is for the garden and the landscaping and stuff like that. See, they have a whole bunch too over the other side, which I'm not going to go. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go inside the hardware and see what is inside. So this is my messy deck with my garden last year. The end of fall, I said I was gonna clean up the deck before it snow. And then the following day it snowed, and from then I didn't clean it up. And then my husband got scrap wood and put it there. He said he wants to make a gate for me. So those are the maybe a little table that started to sprout. Those wood. And these are the strawberry. And look at the tiny little fruits that it produced. They're so cute. And these are the little sprouts of strawberry that sprout. So now I am inside the Kent hardware store, and I'm just showing you some of the products that they have there. And this is inside of the greenhouse. I wish I could buy this size greenhouse and put it out on a property or something like that, temporary. But I have to wait till I have my own home to do that, until I can make a proper greenhouse. So these are some of the products that they have. Hello. Can you check the price of this, please?
Okay.
Let's get back to work.
All right. Don't work too hard.
Oh, I don't think you could check it here.
Yeah?
Oh, okay. I don't normally come here. I normally go up there.
Yeah, no, I can check the prices and everything. Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Oh, this is a discontinued. So,
You discontinue.
yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Wow.
No.
A long time no see.
Yeah.
You're gonna be seeing me more often here.
So, yeah, it says 11.19,
11:19.
but now it's a discontinued. So,
Garden season is almost coming, so that's
It
why.
is. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is a outdoor spray. You can paint these things, paint these crates, and it's discontinued. So if I want to get this, I would have to get it now. I should check out and see what other colors they have. They have a lot of seed selection. I'm gonna check out and see what other paint they have, and maybe I might buy a couple spray because it's gonna discontinue. So here's the price. The regular price was $13.99. Now it's $11.19, and they're discontinued. Oh, I think the ones with the yellow signs are the ones that's gonna discontinue, because these ones don't have the yellow sign, but these ones do. Beautiful Manitou. So I'm on my way going towards the other hardware. It's called Home Hardware. The Home Hardware in Ontario is nothing compared to the Home Hardware in PEI. It's much nicer. This Home Hardware is not as nice as the hardware that is in Surrey. but it's still nicer than the hardware that is in Ontario. The hardware that I used to go in Ontario was Home Depot or Canadian Tire, but there's those hardware is only in the city in Charlottetown, so I don't have any access to go there unless I drive up there, which is like 40 minutes away from the town where I'm living. So I am looking at the seed selection here. I was saying some things, but I can't play the sound because they're playing music here, and I don't want to get in trouble with copyright music. So I have to see what I was saying when I was looking at some of the products here. I was mainly looking at the garden center, and then this hardware have upstairs. I went upstairs also, and I'll tell you what I'll show you what I see upstairs. Just looking at the containers that they have for planting seeds, and different soil and stuff that they have for garden and landscaping. The stock is really low now because it's just the beginning of garden season. Garden season don't begin until the second week in May. So this is what they have so far. As the weeks go by, they will have more products. The Kent Hardware store have a garden center, small little garden center, but this hardware, they don't have a garden center. And they have an upstairs and a downstairs, which I kind of find a little bit I don't understand, because if you're bringing something heavy upstairs and downstairs, it's not going to be easy. But I find the hardwares here, the staff, they're more friendly and stuff, and you could ask them, they especially let the staff help you to carry anything that you need to carry in your car and stuff like that. When I was looking at this package of the pak choy, I was saying, oh, it's so beautiful. I think I might go back there and get that seed package. And I find the color of this tomato very beautiful, sunrise tomatoes. I like the color of it, but I didn't get it. Maybe if they have it next year, I might get it next year. That package, that tomato package beside that one, I actually got that one this year. This hardware, they have more selections of seed here than the Kent Hardware. That's the most beautiful poppy flower I ever seen when I was looking at that. And this is some sort of Japanese corn, mainly use it for decoration. It's beautiful. I don't know if it really produced any corn, but that's what it said. It said it's some sort of corn that they use for decoration. So I was looking at this package of arugula, and I thought it was the wild version of it, but because I don't have that, and it looks different from the kind of arugula that I have. Apparently this one is not wild, but the other two package that I will show you guys, those are the wild one, and that's the one that I have. So I was saying that I am going to get the one that I don't have, which look wild, but it's not wild. And I bought that package, and I'm actually looking at it now. I bought the organic one, it's like $1 something more than the one that doesn't say organic. You know, really, I reach at a point now, I just thinking that how can I really believe what the label of anything is nowadays? You just need to get something to survive. That's what I'm just thinking, you know. But anyhow, yeah, so this is upstairs, and these are souvenirs of stuff that they have for the island, PEI. And the sweaters, they're on sale, and the t-shirts, they're on sale. Because I think in the winter time there were more money before. Oh, look at that. Potato magnet. So cute. PEI is very famous for potatoes and lobsters. So that's why they have that kind of display. And I went over to look at the canning section. They're well stocked when it comes to canning bottles. The best time to get it is now, before garden season, because you don't want when your fruits are ready to harvest and you can't find bottles. So this is what it looks like so far. I still have some things to clean up and remove all of the nettings from the deck. And I removed the fabric, the straw fabric that was right here. And I put these one here. I need to clean up the duct tapes. And I need to remove this trellis, and I'm gonna do some other stuff, and then I'll put the greenhouse tomorrow. I am going to I'm gonna try to put these things in between the space of the pole tonight. And I think after I do that, I can start remove this trellis. And that's about it, because it's starting to get dark now. So I'll do what I can. But the deck is starting to look better. As you can see, I have a lot of containers. I don't need to buy any soil. I just need to top it off with some fertilizer, and maybe some worm casting, and maybe some PMAS, which I already have those things already. So that's the process so far. I'll show you more in the near future. Okay, you guys, have a good day. Talk to you next time.